Alright. Yo. So yesterday's supposed to be push day, but yeah, I forgot to bring my phone. Like everything is ready, my tripod, like except this one. So hindi ako nakapag-record. So right now I'm having a walk, and this is the only time I have opportunity to connect with the nature. So yeah, so yeah, and this one is actually her band. Yo, alright. So yesterday's lift, I really appreciate the sets and reps kasi so far so good. Like, wala namang ganong failures and repetition. So, this is the place kung saan lagi ako naglalakad every morning. So, yeah, it's right now, kakatapos ko lang mag-morning walk. Actually, hindi pa tapos eh. Like, nagpahinga lang muna ako saglit. And this is the place. Kung dumadaan yung mga kotse, doon ako actually naglalakad hindi dito. Yeah. So, this is actually one of the best part of my morning routine, which is to walk in the morning. And so far, hindi pa sumisikat yung araw, and it's actually 6:45. Yeah, yeah. So this is actually how I start my day. Yeah. So far so good. Sarap na hangin dito because yun nga, it's madamo, it's bago-bago pala ako sa powerlifting, which is uh, yung specific program ko right now is kakatapos ko lang ng around, I mean 2 weeks pa lang na natatapos ko, and pang 3 weeks ko pa lang to, and yung pinaka first day ko is here, naka-record yun dito. So pero nagka-powerlift na talaga ako before. I know, tinatry kong mag-powerlifting before, pero wala akong specific program. Wala, like nag-try ako ng isang cycle ng program ko before, like customized, like nanonood ako sa YouTube and TikTok. Pero instead na mag-increase yung strength ko, ang nangyari lang is lalo pa ito nag-decrease, like yung SBD ko, like yung squat, nag-decrease siya ng around 30 pounds, and then yung bench, hindi ko na ma-hit yung like 10 pounds. Yeah, 10 pounds yun ang decrease. Yung sa deadlift ko is nag-maintained, so gladly hindi naman nag-decrease yung dead. So nagpa-bodybuilding ako like first year ko sa gym, which is I started December something, and so far so good kasi within a year nagkaroon agad ako ng progress. I know maliit lang siya, pero for me it's a lot because hindi na ako ganun kapayat unlike before, because nag-start ako my physique, it's called skinny fat. Yeah, like my upper body is skinny, then my chin is fat. Yeah. So ah yung dog is Pilay. See? So I know na hindi naman siya ganun ka-clear yung mga pinagsasabi ko ngayon, pero this one is just a reminder to myself na that day, I always forgot kung anong lagi sabihin ko. Like what I've said, this is just a reminder for myself. Siyempre, for example, in the future life na napariwara ako. I'm not saying na pupunta ako doon, pero syempre, it's just a reminder to myself na syempre that day you were like that, you were like this, then now you're like this now. And you know, every time na may nagpo-provide sa'yo na food on the like every time na may nagpo-provide sa'yo ng food in the morning, you know, it's always an opportunity na hindi ka pa ma-stress sa mga ganong bagay. Like, syempre, if dumating na yung time na inaalala mo na yung pagkain mo for your sa pang-araw na pamumuhay, syempre, it's really difficult na ikaw na yung nagtatayo ng pamilya mo. I know, kasi naranasan ko rin yan before, like, nag-help ako sa mom ko na kumita, like, mag-provide ng food and so far while you're young, dude, and you still have an opportunity to live, to be better. Kasi you also have to rely your life in God, because syempre siya yung nagpa-provide ng needs and wants mo sa buhay, and syempre siya nagbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity. Like every time you live, every time na binibigyan ka ng opportunity to live is a chance. I treat that as a chance. That's why sometimes I tell to my partner, like, I'm running out of time. Yeah, I always feel that sometimes. Like, for example, I have a day na I just wasted it. I just scroll. I just watch a lot of entertaining videos in TikTok and other social media. Like, syempre, to be honest, I feel regret in the end. Sarap yung tambay ko dito, gawa kasi nung hangin. And yeah, I know someday, bro, you'll be successful, and just trust, keep the process. I know for now it's hard and difficult, like may mga nangyayari sa buhay natin na hindi natin inaasahan. Syempre, it has a reason kung bakit natin nararanasan yung mga bagay. So yeah, just keep it up, and someday you'll be there soon. Sarap ng hangin dito, bro. Ang sarap ng hangin dito. Okay. Maglalakad na ulit ako. That's it.